Does your small yard feel plain and lifeless? Imagine transforming it instantly with just one simple feature. A beautiful garden pathway that guides the eye and creates charm in even the tiniest space. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your place for creative and inspiring garden design ideas. Today, let's explore how a small garden pathway can completely change the look of your tiny yard. The best part is, you don't need a lot of space or money to make it work. Start with the basics. Choose materials that suit your style. Rustic bricks, smooth stepping stones, wooden planks, or even a mix of gravel and pebbles can all be used to create a unique path. Keep the pathway narrow and winding instead of straight. This simple trick makes your garden look bigger and adds a sense of discovery. On the sides, you can plant low-growing flowers, herbs, or even fragrant plants like lavender and thyme to make every step feel refreshing. To decorate, add small solar lights or lanterns along the edges. Not only does this improve safety at night, but it also gives your yard a warm, welcoming glow. For a rustic or cozy touch, you can border the path with reclaimed wood, broken pots, or natural stones. Affordable and full of character. A tiny pathway doesn't just lead you through the garden. It creates a story, dividing your space into cozy sections and turning a simple yard into a true retreat. So if you're ready to give your small garden a fresh new personality, a charming pathway is the perfect way to start. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more simple and inspiring garden transformations.